What is this place? Why'd you take us down here, Chris?
Well, this is like a car graveyard. It was created by two guys, and their American dream was to essentially create a chapel out in the middle of nowhere out of dead cars, and they would spray paint them very colorfully.
Yeah, and to create anxiety, because that's what I have right now.
Somehow, the moon is making it look nice. Holy shit, fuck.
Do you think if they see our light, they'll come for us, the skinwalkers?
Turn it off.
They're actually attracted to heat, so
Right.
don't worry, they won't be able to see us.
Is this the road?
I don't like this.
I don't like that question.
Are you sure we can't just come back in the morning, Chris?
Jesus.
All right.
No.
Hey, yo, stop.
Good
Hey,
turn.
pause for 1 second real quick. Let me readjust real quick.
Gotcha.
Just like
For everybody watching, that was just a special effect. We just did the everybody shake and
Oh,
go, oh, whoa, like
Can
on
you hold
Star
this with your
Trek.
elbow for 1 second?
Sure.
I wonder if this thing is still.
Got it?
Jake just put his dick in my lap and asked me to hold it with his
You know what I'm saying?
Matt
You know what
King.
I'm saying, man?
There isn't a bus up there?
Is there?
Sorry, man.
I thought there was, wasn't there, guys?
Yeah, but I think I took a different road, didn't I?
You knowingly took a different
Oh
road?
god, we're gonna get lost out here.
Oh, fuck.
This is part of it, guys. This is just part of it.
Getting lost in the car
Yeah,
graveyard.
getting lost in the great big void.
In the cold. Darkness.
Is that a Ferris wheel? Or like a merry, or what is it called when you spin people on the thing? You know what I'm talking about with that great description. Spin everybody, you know what I mean? You can sense danger, and I'm sensing danger, sensing Bosco sense danger.
You were in my drug rug. Okay, so it seemed like kind of a bust. We've been driving around. We really haven't seen many cars.
22
we might have
degrees.
to come back during the day. We are extremely freezing. The desert is freezing, and we're not prepared. We thought it wouldn't be any colder than Minnesota. We were wrong.
Yeah.
So right here we got a bus.
Yeah. Mark was here. Okay, Mark.
And the inside,
I'm not fat, I'm thick. Okay.
there's all sorts of graffiti.
Believe. All right, now a whole bunch of different stuff. Does that say 612? Oh, they're repping the 612 out
Yeah,
here.
they're out in the 612.
Shout out 651. Shout out 612.
Yeah. Okay, so
55106.
it looks like we're gonna have to like come back here tomorrow morning and find the cars because tonight is a total bust. This whole day has been a seemingly big L for us.
It's a big old shit show.
I mean, there's
it's a shit
absolutely
sandwich.
nothing out.
It's a shit sandwich without the bread, as they say.
Mike.
What?
Open your light.
Oh, fuck.
Aim it this way.
Okay.
Aim it this way. You see that shit? There they are. There they are.
What is that? Are those all the cars?
Holy shit.
Oh.
I don't know if I can make it down this hill. I don't really want to try.
You ain't got the knees for it, Chris.
I'm a little too shivery. Hey, Susie, can you point those ectoplasm lights? You know, see what we can get.
Yeah, let's do it.
I'm not gonna. Okay, if you guys are all trying.
I mean, we're here.
Be careful.
Careful, Matt.
If you don't feel safe, go back up the hill.
Go heel first. Heel toe.
Gotcha. No, I only have 2 hands.
Whose idea was this?
Yeah, turn around. Turn around.
Oh, let's go, please.
Okay.
Let's get out of here. Oh yeah. You want to stay? You can just stay right there. Turn that light off.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye
All right,
now.
Bye, Matt. Good
Bye.
luck.
Bye-bye.
I'll miss you. Just look out for long hair, and if they're barefoot, don't trust them, okay?
Matt Cain was a really nice guy. I'm sure gonna miss him.
He's real cool.
Ooh.
It's crazy that he's dead already. Holy fuck. I haven't ridden in it yet. This is nuts. It's loud. A little loud. Maybe Dan, can we do some something about the noise?
Got the Bluetooth?
Yeah.
Still won't be able to hear anything, but
Michael, what can you tell me about where we're headed?
We are going to the car graveyard in 9 miles away, somewhere in Nevada. Last night I really thought the bus was going to become a permanent statue in the graveyard. I'm like, okay, the bus is just going to, for some reason, go upside down and then sink into the ground. And then that's going to be like, oh my God, where are they going to, that's cool, they put an Airstream in there. No, those are the Hills Have Eyes people. They're here. Please make sure you go ahead and like and subscribe to our videos. Comment below on a town that you want to see this big old bus in, and we will come to a city near you. Please, please like and subscribe. We need it. We need it a lot. We need your likes. Just smash that like button, and we will come to a town near you. What do you want? This is our turf.
So you just walk right up? Oh, here's another one.
Oh, look at that.
Oh yeah, that's right where we shot last night up there.
Yeah.
That's the hill I fell down.
Hey, where'd you prefer that I park?
Over by them.
Okay.
You got a tire on your right, Chris. Chris. You got a tire on your right. Does it say Abu Ghraib?
Do you think any of these cars have names?
Well, we have to look. Well, you know, you can never tell a car's name unless you like actually look at it. So let's go check these out. Yeah, found some over there. That one looks like the back of the bed of a pickup truck. So that could be a Trevor possibly.
Trevor.
I'd see Trevor in that car.
I see Trevor in a pickup truck.
No.
Okay, hang on. What's this one? Ooh, let's see. I'm getting Buick vibes.
That car is either named Scott or Jenny.
Jenny.
Scott or Jenny. Yeah, you see Scott and Jenny?
I think those might have been the owners. That looks like a Cletus if I've ever seen one in my life.
That car has legs. Is that car wearing Yeezys? Oh my gosh, that car's wearing Yeezys. You see that, Matt? That car has Yeezys on. Rebecca, Carl, Steven, Bobbert, Audrey,
Say Lil Nas X.
Little Uzi Vert.
That one looks like it might be a Frank Ocean kind of model. Sid must have had a really good sense of color.
That's Christine right there.
Christine.
Stephen King. Hey, Matt. What do you think that car's name is?
Looks like a Robert to me.
Well, actually, I think his name is Joshua. Because of the Joshua tree? Did you get the joke, Matt?
I think so.
Am I funny?
Like a tree.
Am I funny or what?
Yeah.
Yeah! You're so funny, Chris. Give me a hug, dude. You've been fucking killing it all day. I don't know why I'm getting Jesse vibes from this one specifically. This is Jesse. If Jesse from Breaking Bad had a car, this is his whip. That looks like Will's logo, kinda.
Yeah, this looks like Will's tattoo.
It does. Will recently got a new face tattoo.
Yeah. That's crazy.
I haven't seen Will all day either.
Yeah. Sometimes he just shows up out of nowhere.
That goofy guy.
What tattoo?
Goofy SOB.
Yo, bro, this looks right. Can I see your face tattoo, bro? Yeah, this one's smiling. Yours is frowning. Why'd you choose the frown? Oh, what happened to your eye, bro?
I got punched by a white guy.
Yeah, sorry about that. Look at this. They're making sweet, tender love right now to each other, stacked on top of each other. We're good to go if we just put a little oil in this baby. All right, come on. The seat, my butt. I'm gonna walk out the back.
Show your whole ass crack, Chris.
You think this is gonna hold my weight?
I don't know, but I think if this truck could talk, it'd scream.
Hey, hold my weight.
For all we know, this is the Toy Box Killer's car. This is where Ray got rid of some of his evidence. We have Mel Gibson's car from Mad Max behind us right here.
Which one?
That one right there. What's that car's name?
Oh, good God!
What was the cartoon where they like hopped on the magical school? Is it Magical School Bus? Is that what it
Magic
is?
School Bus. There's also the Partridge Family Bus. But I feel like that belongs to the Manson family, to be honest.
No, I you know what? It does look quite familiar to the bus from that little cartoon show. I think they might have crash landed and the teacher didn't do enough acid to get her up there.
This Frizzle is definitely.
Miss Frizzle.
Yeah. Yeah, this is where the Mystery Machine came to a revolting halt.
When Shaggy was addicted to methamphetamines, this is the car he used to drive until he upgraded and got himself sober and clean. A lot of people don't know that.
Stonehenge for
Motorheads.
stoners.
Yeah, Stonehenge for motorheads.
Oh, okay. I was gonna say
Jesus!
Oh my God!
Stonehenge is what it's called. Continue.
Are you rolling a joint?
I got a joke for you, Mike.
Well, let me hear it.
Where do cars go when they get old?
Oh no, where do they go, Chris?
To the old folks' home.
Oh my God, you're a funny fellow, Chris.
So, what do you call a dead car fucker?
I don't know, what do you call a dead car fucker, Chris?
A necroponiac.
You seem to know a lot about that, Chris. You seem to know a little too
I don't want
much.
to talk about it.
You know, I asked you kind of.
I don't want to talk about it.
I'm just saying, I asked him just hoping he wouldn't tell me any info, and he had a whole manual. So what you're gonna do is you take the WD-40. That's what the car likes. Will, somebody died in that car, for God's sakes!
Oh, shit! What are you running from?
Life.
Yeah, y'all.
Okay.
How did all these fucking cars crash here?
Well, actually, fun story, Will. All these cars received the death penalty after they were incarcerated.
Ooh, put him in the dirt.
Hey, Michael!
Hey, Chris.
So, a man that runs behind a car will get exhausted, while a man who runs in front of a car will get tired.
I'm tired of that joke.
Hey, Michael, you know I'm without a job right now.
Yeah, because of COVID and everything.
Yeah, my boss actually died the other day, and I leaned down towards his casket at the funeral, and I said, "Hey, Kevin, who's thinking outside of the box now?"
Was he joking? What kind of fuel does Vin use?
I don't know. What kind of fuel does Vin use?
Diesel. Yeah?
Vin Diesel?
What kind of car does a dog hate?
What's that?
Corvettes. One of these people ran their car into a tree, obviously. And they found out how the Mercedes bends.
That was killer, Chris. That was good. That was your best one all day.
This guy's been kissing my ass.
That was the best, I swear. Maybe this is what happens when Herbie hangs out with Lindsay Lohan for too long. It starts. Will, you know, don't take this the wrong way, man, or anything, but I think you're a little stuck.
Oh, Michael. You're never stuck when you're free in the mind. Strange.
Strange America, huh?
Strange America.
All right, I think that about concludes this episode of Strange America. Please subscribe, hit the like button, follow us on Patreon, and we'll keep traveling America during these dark COVID times.
And make sure you definitely follow us on Patreon, because we're going to post some behind the scenes stuff, things that we can't legally put on YouTube. It's going to be a laugh riot.
Stimulate the economy!